Hello, Mr. Zach. Hi, Zach man. Hello. Yay. Are you a movie star? Are you a Mr. Movie Star? Cookie pie? You're a happy chappy. You're a happy man. Yeah, you look like you're going to roll over onto your back. Are you starting to roll over? Kick those legs. You looking at the camera? Yeah. Yes. You love that smile. I love that smile. Say bye-bye.